How to make a good lead magnet a cool way from friend Kern. In this video I am going to show you a cool way to make a good lead magnet that I learned from friend Kern. Frank's guiding principle when creating lead magnets is to show your potential customers that you can help them by actually helping them. Therefore, a lead magnet should be an extremely valuable piece of information that is designed to greatly benefit your ideal prospects and get them to pay attention to you and follow you. By the way, my name is Dmytro, I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. And so, in order to create a good lead magnet, you don't just need to overwhelm a person with some information in your lead magnet, because in the information age, there are no problems with this. You need to give such information that will cause your potential client to have an insight or insights that is help him understand what exactly he needs to do and why. Your prospects want insights because the insight actually gives them a solution to their problem, and the information simply burdens and upsets them. Here is a simple example. Imagine that your car won't start. What would you like in this case? To have someone come and give you a sick user manual and tell you to read it and figure out what might not work? Or for someone to come figure out your problem and tell you what exactly you need to do? Of course the second option, because in this case you can solve your problem. This is how insight differs from just information. It gives you a decision and prompts you to act. That is why a good lead magnet should perform two functions. First, attract your ideal potential customers to you, and second, giving them insights that will make them take action. How to create such a lead magnet? To create such a lead magnet, you need to perform 3 steps. Step 1. Find out who your ideal potential customers are. You will create your lead magnet for them. What do I mean when I say the ideal potential customer? This is a person who has certain characteristics that allow you to bring him to a certain result as quickly as possible, and who can potentially become your VIP client, buy your most expensive products or services. And here are some examples for you to understand what I'm talking about. Let's say you are a really cool email marketer. Which of these two people would be your ideal potential customer? A student just starting to get interested in email marketing and doesn't even have subscribers yet? Or an expert who already has a base of several thousand subscribers and who wants to monetize it properly? Of course, an expert with a base of subscribers. Because you can really help this person earn more money by holding a promotion for subscribers, by offering personal work with an expert, by recommending an affiliate info product. And accordingly, this person is more likely to pay you properly for it. If you will work with a student, then you will have to wait until he collects a base, makes some normal result and wants to pay you normal money. The second example, you help men find a wife. Who would be your ideal potential customer? A guy who is 24 years old, who just got a job and is thinking about starting a family? Or a man who is 38 years old, who has already fulfilled himself in life, has his own successful business and already dreams of his own family? Of course the second option, and there is no need to explain why. Because it will be easier for you to bring this person to the desired result and he will pay you handsomely for it. That is, at this step you need to find out who is the person whom you can help to achieve a certain result as quickly as possible, and which will be ready to reward you handsomely for this result. Step number 2. You need to figure out what 3 things you could do for your ideal potential customers, what would get them the best result as soon as possible. It should be the kind of thing that your potential customer would be able to say, "Oh man, that's really cool stuff and I get it. I understand that this can work for me." These are the kinds of things that should trigger insights from your ideal potential customers. so that they have the idea in their head that it can really work for them. Let's take, for example, our expert with the base of subscribers. What are 3 things we could do for him? First thing, send a letter to the base of subscribers and offer existing subscribers personal work with an expert until the result. The second thing, organize a sale of all the expert's products for his existing subscribers. The third thing, turn that sale into an automated sales funnel and drive paid traffic to that funnel. When you have figured out these 3 things, you can move on to the third step, creating a lead magnet. To create a good lead magnet, you take the 3 things you could do for your ideal potential customers and that would get them the best and fastest result, and create your own lead magnet for each of these things. It could be a checklist, a mini book, or a PDF how-to where you talk about one of these things that can bring a cool result to your ideal potential customers. Or you can combine all these 3 things together and create one lead magnet out of them. You will already choose the format of the lead magnet yourself, depending on which one is more suitable. This is how you can create really good lead magnets for your target audience. I hope this information was useful for you. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. I wish you a good day and great mood. Bye bye.